welcome to FX Street. Today we're going to be talking about Axie Infinity gaining strength to rebound to $31. But before we dive deeper into the technicals, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto to be updated on the hottest trends in the cryptocurrency space. Let me first mark this a little bit up. This is an old downtrend. Let me put that in gray as it's a little bit less relevant. But for now, this red descending trend line, which was the main marker for April and May, has done its role, has been broken. Bit trading to the side, sideways trading, range bound in Axie Infinity, but there is a possible upturn at the horizon. But first of all, let me show you some Japanese candle formation, and this is this one. A very long stretch uptrend, a very small thin body, and a little bit pulled to the downside, but all in all a red candle, and that's what they call a long-legged doji, and that means actually that there is a turn in sentiment going to happen or is happening, and all in all, price demand and availability is quite close to one another. So bears and bulls are quite at a good equilibrium on price level. So that means a downside pullback is possible, and that is what we're seeing at the moment. So a bit of a pullback, already broke the low of yesterday on that long-legged doji after the fierce move from Monday with already 30% up, gains, which is quite good to be in. All in all, the idea or the trading strategy for this, just have a look where those are. No, that's the regression. Yeah, here we go. So I expect this to be unfolding as this price action will be going in search of support roughly around 2019 or $20, and that will trigger then an uptrend. There we go, all the way up back to $31. This is of course the most secured level. We have the 55 there. We have this historic pivotal level as well, but nothing's to say. It goes all the way back to August of last year. But nothing's to be say that with the new month, it could possibly be that bulls sees the momentum in full and then stops who are placed by bears just around this level here could be ran, and then we could see a quick poof overshoot towards $33, $24, and then a pullback again to $30 to test for support. So we could add a sort of a similar up and then all the way up back to there. So that could be a second stage in the making, and then that would finally start erasing quite a lot of the downtrend that we had in April and May. Risks to the downside, of course, could come with the fact that, as said, this is a sort of an indication of a change in sentiment, but that change in sentiment could only last for 24 hours or 48 hours, but it could well be that this change in sentiment is broader and more longer term, and as we are seeing in several financial media as well, that more and more headlines are talking about recession fears, investors scared again with the next worries on the horizon, and then that could be that we rather than see a trigger or a pullback below that $19-20 handle, and that could easily even go towards either the new monthly S1 around $15. That would be then roughly 34-35% loss, or even towards the fail-safe level of $11 that was not seen since the tops we had on April 20th of 2021. So there you have the forecast for Axie Infinity, and that's it for that. And of course, as always, do not remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at FX Street Crypto.